Watch a hurry. Tell them say I'm gonna read the board. And I'm gonna read that notice board. And then we say, oh, bad boy, you out the road to read the board. And I'm gonna read that notice board. I give them press a place of it. And the colors, you know.
Every day them get up, them want again. When I'm a move like to them, I love them life again. You want them, I want them, I'll kill your children. That is not right, I'm the problem.
Tus hijos merecerán prédicos, salmistas, no digo pues juntos.
Say for the while, yeah, Leroy DJ, say, go on, Leroy! Here you are, here we go.
Run it, selector.
I don't have Beach Street Friday with them. Remember about Prince Buster and Dennis Brown. Don't take business, not take it in a clown. That's how we do it, we share it, you know. You know, I'm a daddy, you know. Touch it, no man. No little girl can't get a dagaya. Forget a dagaya, be 18 and over. Happy at the go, climb up a ladder, yeah. Boy! Daddy! I'm sorry. You see what I know about you and the third boy? Eh? This boy I go to the little girl, 10-year-old and them got him cut and short. You know, someone like me should have what he do. Roll the track again. Right, just his back. Tell them in no names calling up. This was a contract. We go kill Gulliver. Can't tell they have whistle and no come over. Only idiot man get chick by woman. Chick by woman. Chick by woman. Only idiot man get chick by woman. Come make them do it like King Solomon. Sing! And I exhale body. High grade, get me higher, let me floating. I buy high grade without $100 note king. High grade, herbs allow me smoking. Crack and cocaine, me not provoking. Bitches said, high grade, get me higher, let me floating. I buy high grade without $100 note king. Wicked and wild, we're telling them, we're from Obey and Buckday and St. Margaret's Bay. Albany, Highgate and Richmond, Georgia.
Revolution, politics and Christians are the leaders of our nation.
Free out! Tell mama, don't worry about you, because you're from Mexico. But when you come to B Street, you're safe, right, Harry?
I want him to know, gunman not kill foreigner. No. They will take a little thing off of them and make them go on, but them not kill them.
Take a dum for the room. I mean, said if you should hear something about meet me at the corner.
Now one thing where I'm going to say, there's a bad mind disease going around that affecting family, friends and everybody. Right now, it affects the artists them. I go up on social media that the artists are lick against the artists there. And the one you lick against the one, they don't want to stop it. You can't say Jah and Selassie I live so. If you say Jah and Selassie I have to live. Action speak louder than word.
DJ Slick, you know Vetta principal I represent with
Roger Remo.
Okay, from Mexico, so it's a Mexico-Jamaica link up.
You know when the wicked and the righteous eat. Never made the plan, but out them one reap. Just operate the old from the parent from the sheep. If you can't sleep, no matter go out and deep. Over the fence already eat and a beat. If you think I ask for the active. Great man used to walk on channel. Match your mark, me say Luke and John. Peter Mark, me say Ann Simon. And to Timothy, Thomas and Jim. You want only plate Christ and Jordan sing them. Running on the tree and go hang himself. And the same silver, wine, berry and fat. Wicked on the Eden, sit down and a chanter. So me say blessed is the man that walk into the council of the ungodly. And stand up in the ways of this sinner. And see the blessing of his scornful. Rastafari, come and bridge and take a little piece.
Jumping on the place, them bumping down. Ring up on the mic, come and see lungs and ranking job. With the lyric and the liberator, fire them to know. Pull up! Big collaboration alongside the great Rankin Joe. I think called Delivery Service. Something we just do recently, you know what I mean? Some vibes, yo. I want you. Polyesterkat, Ras Levy. Susie, Roger and the horn, yo, are you ready? them up to know. I ring up when the mic commence alongside ranking Joe. With the lyrical deliberator fire them to know. Tell and pattern like a Don Gargan. We deliver and delivery. Pure fire we are giving them. We deliver and delivery. And the music like a medicine. Lyrics by the pound, verses by the kilo. If you never know, my name is Roger Remo. With the lyrical flow, me say that's how it go. Star for the show anywhere that we go. Step up on the stage and rip it up again. Look out in a crowd and me see all of my friends. So me sing some tune for the all of them again. Give thanks to Jah, always. Company set up in the jumping on the place, them up to know. Remove on the mic, commence lungs and ranking Joe. With the lyrical deliberator fire them to know. Thailand pattern like a
From me and my Rasta brethren there from the left hand. And we pass this your mic and me say hand to hand. Anywhere we pass, them a shake and for hand. Step up to the place and we be taking up your waist. Step up to the place and we be taking up your waist. We get some water, wash out for your face. So you can go back and them a move in a ears. Enough of them a ladder, me say them a free days. Come them in the singer.
When you see we on the street, and reggae music we are deep. We love it and we are class food when we feed. We are true. We not look no trouble. We are no. We're from the ghetto. We no ice cream, no jello. We looking kind of smooth like a good old fellow. But no, you come looking for trouble. We are no. No trouble, trouble. Please, no trouble, trouble. No trouble, trouble. I don't want no trouble. I say. In a hungry town, but me say again, how we are gonna make it out? When them will walk, get we out, yeah. Man, I chat it you hungry town. Big up the people in a hungry town. Hey, Rasta man more, you hear that one, yeah. Red green and gold more, you wave the banner. From my eyes to you up. In a Zion, someone will obedient like a lion. When me say fit, one blaze the fire. Can't up not never read a prayer. Me say one of these days, and I see a change, and I see them fail your system shake. And me say, how we are gonna make it out? When them will walk, get we out, yeah. Man, I try to chew up the town. Big up the people, they're not hungry.
to the Spanish version of this one, yo. Hey, gringos y parceros, hablan camino por el Sanjerimo, porque si no lo hacen mi amigo, so will and come again. Want to learn rhythm, yo. Courtesy of the one they back police out of Austin, Texas, you know what I mean? Really come the original, you know what I mean? Hey, gringos y parceros, hablan camino por el Sanjerimo, porque si no lo hacen mi amigo, su número es cero, la lírica dura.
Not to move on, right in there. Not to egg it, not to get. Wait a minute, señor.
Y esa es mi propuesta, música, baile, también protesta. Y esto es lo que les molesta, nuestra alegría está.
I want to you, they can't come here, give me a cup DJ. One catch a mic, you walk away.
Jamaica alongside Ras Levy Essential Remo Polyesterkat out of Mexico City in Orange Street, Green Street, Manchester. That's the place. Remember that, see? Y esta es mi propuesta, música, baile y también protesta. Y esto es lo que les molesta, nuestra alegría y sabor en la fiesta. Y esta es mi propuesta, música, baile y también protesta. Y esto es lo que les molesta, que estamos juntos aquí en Jamaica. Y aquí mi estilo es real, fluyendo va natural. No le pide nada a nadie, traje estilo badas. No como otros que van copiando el flow. ¡Purito selecta!
Born in Mexico,
born in Jamaica. He's born in Mexico.
Where's Mexico Virgin there? Born in a Mexico, Jamaica, him say. Born in a Mexico, Jamaica, him say. Mama Mikey, you born in Jamaica. Well, them that come in the yaba must say Henry Morgan. Some a pirate and me say some a imitate. The lyrics of my tongue and make the girl run me. Alan pull up. Beat Street today, don't get full up. Beat Street today, so you don't get full up. Come on, talk about Alan pull up. They could have born in a Mexico. They could have born up in London. But Jamaica down the shot, them a two Jamaican. That come in the yaba must say Henry Morgan. Some a pirate and me say some a imitate. The lyrics of my tongue and make the girl run me down. Half pint to tell me about the girl win some. Little John girl we no stop lover. Super cat too while him a feel left jammed up. Choose wheel gone to church and pray to Jaja. Remember Charlie Chaplin him a Rasta pastor. Pretty day Sunday fish burn up on the fire. Put the middle Madeleine girl a catch it close them a fire. Ready eyes and get vexed and gone with the nightmares. Ready McGregor, sail up on the big ship. Born in a Jamaica land, original daddy. I'm gonna say Jamaica because it's too high.
Jamaica walking and say, yeah. Born in Jamaica. Mikey born in Jamaica. Hey, do it. Mikey go there, right. Mikey on there, right. My baby rock it with your naughty face. Baby got the rubber with your naughty face. Baby got the skank it with your naughty face. Baby got the love with your naughty face. Hey, go. Mikey on there, right. Naughty love on right in there. And Mikey move on right in there. Now we born in Jamaica. Born in Jamaica. But we can't find the big paper.
Sweet, sweet Beat Street, now left ya. Sweet, sweet Beat Street, we now left ya. To the Yankee and me selfie, now left ya. To the Itala Cell, me now left ya. To the soup it a boil, me now left ya. Jamaica and the shark gonna get so wild. Yes, we was wild from when we was a child. I used to tribute to Selassie, the great emperor. He ruled the whole world, ruled it entire. Selassie, greatest king we ever come out ever. Who flash lightning and roll thunder. All ballet that we go in front of every rasta. Rasta man that they no sit among warmonger. Warmonger come in like a ball of fire. Selassie flash lightning and roll thunder. 1966 Selassie made a visit Palisade Airport, His Majesty land. Man dash a cigarette and start burning pipe green. He established Uncle Mikey, they on the scene.
Liberty regard, I got in a man. When man say to me, say me can't pay me rent. Under the whole anti-fish, but it's a sound of the president. So be nice of the resident. Me say me now leave me corner. Me say me now leave me corner. So me now really leave me more.
I Beat Street with it, Jamaica, but we not gone nowhere. Yeah. I Real Street with it, yes, but we not gone nowhere. We're telling them, yes, we are going Lord, oh, we say,
hey, I got some money in my pocket and I'm ready to shop around. Go to my closet, find my favorite jacket and I'm ready to hit the town. And when the sun starts to set in, I just find me a dancehall, a full child of it, sexy lady stepping. It's a wonderful feeling, happiness we feel it, dancing move.
Surprise, they'll see another novel there for me. Susie Wong, she's a lover, her to discover. Susie Wong, she's my baby. And don't think I'm crazy, Susie Wong, Susie Wong, Susie. She always follow me wherever I go. To the movie or a picture show.
don't know why she loved me so. I can tell you only Susie knows. Susie Wong, she's a mystery. First love I ever have in history. Susie Wong, she's my baby.
Pull up.
Yes, fire. Come in. Come in, the singer.
Big up. One time.
Who we living. Oh, baby. I longing to hold you. I longing to control you. I longing to hold you in my arms. Pick up again, Richie Red. Pick up Richie. Don't know straight. Jamaica, Daddy Shark. Who win? None of them. On them. Yellow bird tougher than them. Yellow bird better than them. They're not ready like me. They're not tough like we. I don't have big teeth with it. I ain't no gone away. No, I be street with it. No, I will not gone away.
When you come to my component time. Yeah. Anybody body you? Rubber than them. Rubber than them. Now make no breaking now, we now make no friend. When they yellow birds, say you're better than them. Tell your daddy show, say we better than them. Tell your Coco Maca, say we better than them. Roper than them. One call Jamaica, one way. The man call you but compound and say, Jimmy,
Where you get that Sonia from? Good intention, make your bad stuff. Good intention, no Jamaican, they mail a good intention. Uptown, enough of them not tough like we. Next track.
yes, so yeah, big respect to all the generals in the place, yo. My name is Sergeant Remo out of San Antonio, Texas, from Mexico, alongside Polyesterkat. And we have a very talented saxophone player that come join us today, you know what I mean? So we want to give him a little time, same way, you know what I mean? Pull up and come again, yo. Roger Ortiz. Babylon, pull up, selector, pull up. Sweet reggae music, sweet reggae music.
Take up yourself.
Reggae for daddy, reggae for mama, reggae for daddy, reggae TMC body.
Yo,
Hold on.
Pop the hand again. Pop the saxophone again. Pop it. Wicked and wild, wicked and wild. We're telling them, we're from Obey and Buckey and St. Margaret's Bay, Albany, Highgate and Richmond, Georgia. We run here and Backwalker City, Kingston. Back in the hands, man, they blow them down. Wicked and wild, and we do this. from a little child. Lord, if you keep breadfruit too long, don't make it spoil. Dash it on the fire and roast that.
It's Street Friday. Right, that's right thing there. You know what it's gonna do? Yeah. I'm big up the whole of the people in that place. You know what it's gonna do? Hey, Mitchie, big up yourself, you know. Oh, Lord, oh, Lord. I agree. Oh, Lord, oh, Lord. When we smoke, we get higher than anyone can count, and no one knows the amount of herbs I smoke. I agree, inspired. I hit the whole world of talk about me get so high and float above. It's no joke, it's no joke. So me say, high grade, get me higher, let me float in a buy high grade without $1 note king. High grade, herbs allow me smoking, crack and cocaine, me not provoking. Bitches say, high grade, get me higher, let me float in a buy high grade without $1 note king. High grade, herbs allow me smoking, crack and cocaine. This lovely feeling of high grade in my head, and I touch the ceiling, upload to the clouds instead, and it's revealing. My eyes are turning red, and I plant the ceiling. It's Street Friday, you know when one Jamaica, me say a long time on a DJ in a dance. Me say a long time on a chant in a dance. You me come fi mash up the Friday. You me come fi rip up the Friday. Then me say place it a fi rap. I saw me a jump. And then you
Play about that again.
Bless family, my name is Sergeant Remo. I am from San Antonio, Texas, originally from Ciudad Juarez, Mexico, on the border between Mexico and Texas, you know what I mean? And I just come down here with the Mexican delegation. That's what I call them, you know. Some family from Mexico City. There's been a group of people from Mexico City that have been organizing a lot of cultural exchange kind of vibes between Mexico and Jamaica, you know. And they invite me to come down here and be part of that, you know. So just a powerful thing, you know what I mean? So we're just here, you know, promoting that reggae music is worldwide and it's very live and present in Mexico. Is a big part of our culture, you know. So we pay homage to that. We come pay respect and learn from the masters here, you know what I mean? So we're just glad to be here and glad to share our music. Like I said, my name is Sergeant Remo. You can keep the link on all the social media platforms. Sergeant, that's SGT.REMO. You can just Google me, you know, you can find me everywhere, you know. We've been working for a long time. We got a big body of work, you know, so I invite you to come out and check out some of the works, you know what I mean? Because we've been doing the works for some time, you know. First released my first EP in 2011, you know, and here we are, you know, in 2026. We're still working, we're still performing, we're still traveling all over Latin America, the US, you know what I mean, and we finally get to come down here and sing and perform, you know, for the family here in Jamaica, you know, so it's a blessing, you know what I mean, I'm just happy to be here, you know what I mean.
I wrap up as a DJ, I set my plan to start fighting once a day. She and me honey bunch like white sugar pop. Something some man do her, we never do her that. And if she gone out of me life, me a go on to me come back in of me life. She a part of me come back. Darling, 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 you are me calling, 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 darling, calling, we are the gang, come.
Blessed love, yo. It's raining, and with the sunshine bright, and then the moonlight come. Reggae music me sing, reggae music me bring.
Big up Ras Levy, Roger Ortiz on the saxophone and
Roger Ortiz in the place.
selections, you know? Reggae music is sing with me. Get up, stand up, how you say? Stand up for your rights. Get up, stand up. Don't give up the fight, as you say. Get up. Say Remo Polyesterkat, Roger Ortiz, Susana. Here in an orange street, spreading love and unity. From Mexico City, this is Ras Levy Polyesterkat. Again. Yes, sir. Get up, stand up. How you sing? Stand up for your right. I can hear you. Get up, stand up. Don't give up the fight. Again. Get up, stand up. How you sing? Stand up for your rights. Again. Get up, stand up. Don't give up the fight. El tiempo pasó, la mente cambió, pero el sentido de lucha creció, se convirtió en el motor que incita mis pasos a la rebelión. Antisistema, rompo cadenas para vivir una vida más plena. Toda la pena que vale de correr con Jamaica, how you feel, Jamaica? Again. Get up, stand up. Stand up for your rights. Again. Get up, stand up. Don't give up the fight, te lo digo a ti. Get up, stand up. Stand up for your rights. Again. Get up, stand up. Don't give up the fight. Aquí mi estilo es real, fluyendo va natural. No le pide nada a nadie, traje estilo bada. No como otros que van copiando el flow al cantar, parloteando sin pensar palabrería vana. Dicen que alaban ya por interés comercial. Van de turistas a que soy, te piensan que soy real. No saben nada de acá, de lo que hay que pasar para existir este sistema y aún con todo canta. No es regalo de fama, ni un detalle de baba. Es hora de productor para poderlo lograr. Inteligencia no más, ganas de progresar. Además de un mensaje en la producción musical. Sí, Mexican talent on the pantalla. Through the reggae music they never lose a party. Political struggle and spiritual fighter. Keep the fire burning, dancing like a fire. Una y otra vez, again and again. This is Ras Levy Polyesterkat, una vez más en vivo y en directo con el Orange Street con toda la gente aquí. Polyesterkat en los controles, señor Remo from Texas, sí. Again. Get up, stand up. Stand up for your right. Purito Selecta. Rolling. Con sus sax lo quieren tocar, pero la fila es larga, ¿cómo le vas a hacer? Estamos cantando juntos, no nos vamos a detener. I'm coming from Mexico, again. Coming Adidas. Coming Adidas. Coming in a robot style. This is Ras Levy against Polyesterkat.
Please now. And DJ. If you want to tell me, pull up. Right now, pull up. Is that tune now me ever do? And me originate it and me make it. Michigan and Smile them take it away. I will give them a back and go number one about 20 times. Saying, I made the original DJ feed. Saying, big up Nina, now Washington DC. Saying, come on with them, come to Lanka. Wrong one. Now you put the right one. Remember the one champion sound world? Jamaica say, original. That's it. What do you mean? But long time on the DJ in a dog. Long time on the champion in a dog. But long time on the DJ in a dog. Long time on the champion in a dog. You know, I'm gonna party to Dance Africa. Really gonna look at it to Dance Africa. Leave it cold.
breeze come through. When you take a time, we get a room blower. That is a dance of the car. And the liquor them sell out. We see you can't go the back of with a car. Can't go the back of with a car. You wanna keep it that small. Hold up. Ding-a-ling-a-ling, down Ding-a-ling-a-ling, down Jump on it, cause the rhythm and take it up. Jump on it, cause the rhythm and take it up. Cool! Reach your hands, my way. But you can't stop Jamaica. You can't stop Jamaica. Many people speak the rest. They keep it here, man. You don't love the style, but you don't do the man. But I see it to the Syria. But I see it to peace. Oh, Papa, Mikey, go America. 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 Now me give me five food and me give me visa. Jump up on a plane and it tell you Jamaica. Now I'm not a prince called a love. Who me think I love me little brother? Who I give me back my little sister? Who I kiss me? I know me girlfriend. Oh, me girlfriend, now for me with a big umbrella. Oh, damn me bring me, give me ice water. And she give me little tongue and she give me data. Two little music in a one. Two little music in a one. Now one for America, one for England. One for America, one for England. Now the old Papa Maggie go a London. Oh, Papa Maggie go a London. She come and play drink the man stick down. Then a little chicken come for someone. Jump up on a big and mommy reach England. Who beat me and on the immigration? Yeah, me in the room with mommy no question. He have never right down me near. Okay, mommy go, me tell ya. Okay, mommy go, okay, mommy go, me tell ya. Okay, mommy go. Rubber dance, going to rubber dance. Rubber dance, better rubber dance.